Hello, Class 4-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with today's spelling lesson in Period 7 on Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. This is the end of the month, last day. All right. Well, I hope you all had a fantastic day studying so far. We only have one period today, which is our spelling period. As you can see, I am holding a copy of the spelling workbook we have been using this year. If you don't have your spelling workbooks with you, it's okay because you can find the PDF of today's activities next to the video. Let's have a look at what we are going to be doing for this week. I'm going to turn to page 68. We are starting with week 13. Week 13 is going to be the first spelling list of semester 2. Let's look at this week's focus. We are going to spell words with the long E and long I sounds spelled Y. We are going to spell the plural forms of words by adding S, ES, or IES. And finally, we are going to spell the past tense of words by changing Y to I and adding ED. Let's go through the list. Please repeat each word and spell it after me. Number 1, lady, L-A-D-Y. 2, ladies, L-A-D-I-E-S. 3, surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Number 4, surprises, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-S. 5, toys, T-O-Y-S. 6, shoes, S-H-O-E-S. 7, shy, S-H-Y. 8, cry, C-R-Y. 9, cried, C-R-I-E-D. 10, study, S-T-U-D-Y. 11, studied, S-T-U-D-I-E-D. 12, story, S-T-O-R-Y. 14, finally. Number 13, only, O-N-L-Y. 14, finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. And number 15, family, F-A-M-I-L-Y. Now please remember, I'm only going to test you on 10 of these words. Okay, I'm going to show you the exact 10 words I'm going to test you on. But I may use some of the other words as bonus words on next week's test. So be sure to study everything. We're going to come back to the activities in just a moment. Now I want to show you the flashcards for the words you will be tested on. And you can also find the flashcards uploaded as a file next to the video. Okay, so this is this week's focus. The first word I'm going to test you on is lady, L-A-D-Y, a woman. The lady was shopping at the department store. Looks like she's buying a lot. Number 2, ladies, L-A-D-I-E-S. More than one lady. The ladies went out to lunch at a nice restaurant, and it looks like they're having fun. The next word is surprise. To amaze someone by doing or saying something unexpected. Holland's parents had a surprise birthday party for her. Look at all those gifts and how happy she looks. Next, toys. Toys. Objects that children can play with. Sheldon and his brother have many toys in their home. Do you have some of these toys in your home? Next, shoes. SHOES. These are outer coverings for feet with thick soles and heels. The students have to put their shoes in the shoe locker when they go to school. It's true, especially at TKS. Next, cried. Past tense of cry. Mr. Waterman cried when he watched the movie Coco. It's true. Every time I watch Coco, I cry. And then I tell my mother how I cried about it when I talked to her on the phone. Next, study. STUDY. To spend time learning a subject by reading about it and practicing it. The students in grade 4 have to study English 4 times a week. It's true. Do you study hard at home like this on a computer or tablet? Next, studied. STUDIED. This is the past tense of study. Grade 4 students studied multiplication last semester. Remember doing that in math class? Next, finally. FINALLY. This means eventually, at last. Here's a sentence. Rainy season in Tokyo is finally over, and it is very sunny outside. It's very hot too. And the last word, family. FAMILY. A group of people related to one another. It is important for family to love and support each other. So those are the 10 words I'm going to test you on. That will be 10 points each on next week's test. But remember to study everything. Now, let's copy and spell. I'm only going to do it one time here, but be sure that you cover and spell the words a second time. Okay, let's begin. Lady. 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 2. Ladies. 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 3. Surprise. 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 4. Surprises. SURPRISES. 5. Toys. TOYS. 6. Shoes. SHOES. 7. Shy. SHY. 8. Cry. CRY. 9. Cried. CRIED. 10. Study. STUDY. 11. Studied. STUDIED. 12. Story. STORY. 13. Only. ONLY. 14. Finally. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. And finally, number 15, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. And there you have it. Don't forget to write the word a second time. Now, let's look at page 69. Visual memory. It says to fill in the missing syllable to make spelling words. Number 1 has been done for us. Number 1 is lady. L-A-D-Y. There you go. Please do numbers 2 through 10 on your own. Now, hint, if you look at this page, you can fill in the missing syllables quite easily. The next part, it says to circle the misspelled words. Write them correctly on the lines. Please listen as I read the sentences. 1. The children gave mother a big surprise. 2. Put on your shoes before you go outside. 3. The baby cried for his bottle. 4. Do you have a big family? 5. 2 ladies sang a song. 6. Did you enjoy the story? 7. The game was finally over. 8. Have you studied for the math test? Were you able to find all of the mistakes? I did. Well, let's look at the first mistake. The children gave mother a big surprise. That is spelled wrong. It should be surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Now, please find the mistakes in numbers 2 through 8. Then when you are finished, turn to page 70. Okay. This is word meaning. Now what you need to do is fill in the missing words. So you have the words here under the lines. You have to choose the correct one. Let's go through the sentences. Number 1. What surprise was in that large box? What surprises was in that large box? 2. Both ladies bought new hats. Both ladies bought new hats. 3. Did he finally clean his bedroom? Did he family clean his bedroom? 4. She wants to study the violin. She wants to study the violin. 5. My grandfather is full of funny surprise that make me laugh. My grandfather is full of funny surprises that make me laugh. 6. I cried for a long time when my best friend moved away. I cried for a long time when my best friend moved away. Let's do number 1 together. 1. What surprise, and I'm going to circle it, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. What surprise was in that large box? Now, I'm going to give you 2 sentences for dictation. Please listen to the sentences I say very carefully. Write the sentences down and circle the spelling words. Number 1. My family and I went to the beach over the summer vacation. My family and I went to the beach over the summer vacation. Sentence number 2. The students studied at home last year too. The students studied at home last year too. Don't forget to circle the spelling words. When you're finished, go on to page number 71. It's the last page. Word study, it says to write the words in the correct boxes. Now let's go through the words. Cry, lady, only, why, story, family, my, funny, study, shy, fly, try. Okay? Now, you have 2 columns. Y says I, as in the word cry. C-R-Y. Then you have Y says E, as in lady. L-A-D-Y. Cry sounds like I. You hear the I sound. Lady, you hear the E sound. Okay? Long I and long E. Please put the rest of the words in the correct columns. We can cross out cry, and we can cross out lady. For the last part, it says to write the plural forms. Mark how you changed each word. Let's look at the words. Number 1, lady. Number 2, toy. Number 3, story. Number 4, shoe. Number 5, family. Number 6, rocket. Number 7, niece. Now you have 3 columns here. You have add S. You have drop the E and add ES. Then you have change Y to I and add ES. Look at the example. You have lady. The plural form is ladies. L-A-D-I-E-S. And we put a check in the box where it says change Y to I and add ES. Let's do one more. Number 2, toy. The plural form is toys. T-O-Y-S. Which box do we check? We check this one. Add an S to the end. Now, these are all of your activities for spelling today. Please remember to go through and study all 15 words. Don't forget to write the words a total of 2 times. Spell the words out loud as you're writing them. That will help you to remember. Don't forget to complete page 69, 70, and 71. Remember, if you're sending me copies of your homework, you can email it to me, okay? I can print it off and I will check your work. That's it for today. If you have any questions, send me an email or send me a message on Class Dojo. Have fun, and I will see you in Thursday's classes. Take care, stay safe, be well, and bye-bye for now.